So let me quickly give you a simple rejection proof strategy. What you want to do is, if you want to start dating in your 20s, in this video I'm going to be sharing 5 easy steps to start dating in your 20s. And at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing the number 1 mistakes most guys make that is hurting them in dating and how you can avoid that mistake. Keep watching. What's going on, guys? It's Idris here. Welcome to video number 3 of my series on how to start dating. In video number 1 I gave you a complete guide to dating, and in video number 2 I gave you a guide on how to start dating for the first time. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to start dating in your 20s. So if you have not watched the previous video yet, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Also, things I'm about to share are the things I break down in my new ebook, How to Get Your Dream Girlfriend in 7 Days. So there will be a link down below to everything in the description of this video. And if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Idris, and on this channel I bring you the best tips, strategies and advice videos on relationships. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed and click the bell to get notified for upcoming videos just like this one you are watching. Alright, so if you want to start dating in your 20s, number 1 is to increase your confidence. Now, why confidence is so important is because confidence is the number 1 thing you need to win in dating. Confidence is the number 1 thing every girl care about, because your confidence is what attracts girls. The way you do things, the way you speak, the way you control a girl, the way you speak with command is one of the most important things. So let me give you some tips on how to be confident, and these are the things I do daily to increase my confidence. Number 1 is I exercise my body daily, because when you exercise your body daily, it makes your body feel flexible, and that's why you see I'm having biceps, six pack and all those things, because I do exercise my body daily. Anytime I exercise my body, it does increase my confidence and spark my body, so it always makes me fearless. Whenever I want to talk to people, I always feel confident with talking to people. Another thing I do is I approach girls. Anytime I see a beautiful girl, whether I have intention of dating her or not, I will make sure I approach her and ask for her contact. Anytime you see a very beautiful girl that attracts you, make sure you approach her. That's how you can increase your confidence in dating. You know, one of the things that are keeping guys from approaching girls is rejection. They are afraid of rejection, and the second one is they don't know what to say. So let me quickly give you a simple rejection proof strategy. What you want to do is to make sure you build familiarity. You want to make sure the girl know you at some level. First, when you meet a girl, what you want to do is to compliment her and just ask for her contact at first impression. Now, after you've asked for her contact, don't ask her out immediately. You want to make sure you build some intimacy. You want to make sure she knows you to some level that her insecurities and fear would have gone. If a girl knows you and she trusts you, that's when she can do everything for you in relationship. So what you want to do is to show her care, initiate meetups, talk to her on a daily basis. If you show her interest, during your process of showing her interest, she will know that you have interest in her, and it will increase your chance of getting yes when you ask her out. That's one simple rejection proof strategy. And the second thing is what you are going to say with her. Well, what you say with girl basically most come from the topic of the conversation and what is in your mind, and it also depends on environment or where both of you meet. For example, last week I met a girl in the bank. So after we went out of bank, then I started asking her what she come to do in the bank. So most times what you will talk about with a girl shouldn't be your problem, because once you initiate the conversation, the girl will keep talking about herself and she will take the conversation to the next level. All you just need to do as a guy is to keep initiating the conversation. So number 1, make sure you increase your confidence by exercising your body and socializing with people and talking to girls daily. Number 2 is to increase your attraction. Now, I found out that there is a correlation between attraction and confidence. Now, when you increase your attraction, it also increases your confidence, and when you decrease your attraction, it decreases your confidence. Why? Because think about this: anytime you are dressing well and you are looking handsome, how do you used to feel about yourself? You do feel confidence. You always feel everybody should see you to give you a very nice compliment. Same way, when you are dressing bad or when you are not dressing good, you won't like most people to see you, and you will be feeling shy, or you will be afraid. So I find out that there is a correlation between confidence and attraction. So you want to make sure you have a very good dress, hairstyle, clothes, shoes, any type of dress that will make you feel good and attractive. Also, your attraction may go to your body attraction, like your posture, how you look. Maybe if you have giant body, that's why you see most girls, they like gym guys because of their giant body. So girls like it so much, and it's one of the things that make you feel attractive to girls. Number 3 is to go for many. Now, what I mean by to go for many is if you want to approach girls, you want to make sure you don't just approach one girl. Like sometimes in a week, I do approach up to 3, 4, 5 girls. It depends on different places I go. So when you want to approach a girl, don't approach single girl. Why? Because if you light your up on that single girl, chances are she might be in a relationship with other guys, or there may be other guys that are vying for her attention. So what you want to do is to go for at least 2 or 3 girls that you'll be going after at the same time. And at the end of the day, the one who show you the most interest, you can go with her. And when you go for many, it also increase your confidence, because think about this: if you are not confident before, when you approach a girl for the first time, you get a number, it will increase your confidence. When you approach another one, your confidence increase another one. The more you talk to different girls and approach different girls, the more it will increase your confidence. Number 4, master conversation. Now, there's a chapter on its own on my ebook, How to Get Your Dream Girlfriend in 7 days. So you want to make sure you master conversation in any type of circumstance, because girls don't like to be with guys that are very bored. You want to make sure you are fun, you are bright, and you are jovial. So make sure you master conversation in any situation. Know how to initiate conversation. Now let me give you some tips on how to master conversation. Number 1, you want to ask simple question. If you ask a girl simple question, from her answer you can draw another question, then relate it to yourself and tell stories. That's how you mix it and master conversation. Let me give you a very simple example. For example, last week I was with a girl and I told her, oh, I believe you are enjoying your days because you are looking fresh, so I don't need to ask how is your day. And she said, which type enjoyment? Look at my face. I said, no, look at your face, is looking beautiful. And that's how you initiate the conversation. So once you initiate the conversation, you can keep the conversation going and relate. Immediately when she told me she's not enjoying it, I asked her, okay, what do you eat today? And she started telling me about what she eats. So after she finished talking about what she eats, I now relate the conversation to what I eat, and I compared what she eats and what I eat. So that is how to master conversation and to keep the conversation going without being bored in any situation. Again, I'll put a link in the description of this video down below to the ebook if you like to check it out. Number 5, socialize with people. Now, the more you socialize with people and you show up in public, the more you have chances of meeting girls, because when you show up in public, maybe when you are in group, you always show up, you always speak, you always talk to people, you always initiate the conversation. Chances are there may be a girl that will notice you, and from there she will start having crush on you. So gradually she will be showing you some sign and she will look for a way to get close to you just for you to get in contact. That's one of the importance of showing up in public, talking to people, socializing with people, and be fun, because girls like to be around guys that are very fun. Now, as I promised at the beginning of this video, the number 1 mistake most guys make in dating that is hurting them is wrong assumption. And the assumption is when they collect a girl number, they usually assume automatic relationship with the girl. No, when a girl gives you her number, it's just an invitation to her cycle. Getting a girl number doesn't guarantee success. So anytime you get a girl number, you need to step up your game by taking her to the next level. Don't assume automatic relationship. So I will put a link in the description of this video down below to everything, both the playlist and the ebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click here to watch previous video and the entire playlist. I will see you in the next video. Enjoy yourself and stay confident.